the internet is more than a place to read the news each morning or catch up on photos from my friends. For me, the internet is a place of hope. I wanted to uncover why things go viral and the secrets to building a strong brand. Creating controversy is very different to creating something that has the potential to go viral. You can't make something go viral after the fact. It doesn't work that way. It's better to drop the viewer into the scene right away, almost like dropping them into the middle of a conversation or a crime in progress. A black car of bad guys screeches to a halt and begins a gunfight, and a woman rides past on a motorcycle wearing lingerie. I'm Brent, and this is Virology, the science of spreading your message wide and far.